Start installation. 1. Insert the back plane and the left and right side plates into the corresponding slots of the rear riser. Note that the side of the board with the slot is up. 2. Insert the bolts of M8*75 and M8*80 in the corresponding positions as shown in the figure. 3. Install the inner support of the wheel. 4. Move the goal to align the inner support with the counterweight and secure the counterweight using M12*40 bolts. 5. Install the external support. 6. Install the wheel and fix it with M16*140 bolts. Seven. Insert 3 T-shaped squares respectively into the front crossbar and column. Install connectors and fasteners. Nine. Connect the assembled column to the side panel.
Insert M8 bolts.
Install the top pull pipe. Use M8*65 bolts to secure it. 11. Spread the net out and find the horizontal bar on the net. Hang the net in the top corner above the goal. 12. Pull the net through the holes in the back square tube and fix it to the lower fixture. 13. Fix the front end of the net end. Fix the twisting net buckle symmetrically from the middle to both sides. 14. Secure both sides of the net. 15. Secure the back end of the net. Installation complete.
Xiangmeng Sports.